Is your diesel truck struggling to fire up on a freezing cold winter morning? You might have a burned-out preheater and a diagnostic trouble code, P0673. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to all OBD2 equipped diesel vehicle from 1996 and newer. To understand this code, you have to understand how a diesel engine breathes. Unlike a standard gasoline engine that uses a spark plug to ignite the fuel, a diesel engine relies entirely on the extreme heat generated by highly compressing the air inside the cylinder. However, when the engine block is ice cold, that compression heat is quickly absorbed by the cold metal of the cylinder head, making it almost impossible to spontaneously ignite the diesel fuel. To solve this, diesel engines use pencil-shaped heaters called glow plugs. There is one glow plug installed in each cylinder head right near the combustion hotspot. When your engine control module senses the outside air and engine oil are cold, it grounds a timer module, which then activates a relay, sending massive battery power to these glow plugs. They glow red hot for a few seconds, warming up the combustion chamber just enough so the engine can start. Code P0673 specifically tells you that the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 3 has failed. If only one glow plug is bad, your engine will probably still start, but you will definitely notice symptoms on a cold morning. The engine might be hard to start. It might hesitate or misfire until it warms up, you will lack power, and your preheat indicator light on the dash might stay on or act erratically. The causes usually boil down to a faulty glow plug in cylinder number 3, a damaged wiring connector, an open or shorted circuit, or a bad control module. To find a fix, you will need a digital voltometer. First, disconnect the wire from the number 3 glow plug and test the resistance between the plug terminal and a good engine ground. You're looking for a reading between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms. If the resistance is higher than that, the glow plug is burned out and needs to be replaced. You should also check the resistance of the wire leading from the glow plug relay bus bar on the valve cover down to the plug itself, ensuring it is also under 2.0 ohms. Check the wires for cracked insulation or looseness. Replacing a glow plug can be very tricky because they live in a harsh environment and can easily snap off inside the cylinder head if you apply too much force. If you test the system and find out the plug is bad, but you are not comfortable extracting a fragile, soot-covered heater from an expensive cylinder head, it is absolutely time to call a professional diesel mechanic. They have the special extraction tools and experience to get it done safely. Keep your diesel running strong and stay warm out there.